In this segment, we'll continue our conversation about elasticity. Again, the responsiveness of one variable to another variable, and this time in a new measure called income elasticity of demand. And here we're measuring responsiveness, not a change in price, but a change of income on buyers' behavior. So income elasticity of demand, or abbreviate it like something like this. The sort of formula for it would be a percent change in income, and then how do buyers respond to that, but in the change in their behavior and percent change in demand. So how do buyers respond to changes in income? Now, what would a measure like this be sort of good for, or what could we do? Well, suppose income increased. And so if we were to show that here, if income increased, the percent change would be a positive number. And then if demand responded, and if demand increased as a result, the percent change there would also be positive. And that would sort of be one case, in which case the overall number would be a positive number. However, if income, say, increases, and so its percent change would be positive, if that leads to a decline in demand, that means the percent change in demand would be negative. Now note this whole ratio would be a negative number. Now note what the consequence of this might be. In the first case here, if income elasticity is greater than 0, that's going to mean something. If income elasticity is less than 0, that's also going to mean something. Now I'll give you an opportunity right now to pause the video to see if you can recall or figure out what that might be, and then here come back after you've made a guess. Okay, if you're back, so if income elasticities are positive, hence positive changes in income lead to increases in people wanting more, this is, in fact, the definition of a normal good. Now, a more scientific way of defining a normal good is one that has positive income elasticities. Again, it's not an economist opinion. It's, again, do the data show this characteristic. And if income elasticities are less than 0, where a rise in income leads to a fall in demand, income elasticities would have a negative number. That's going to be an inferior good. Okay, and that wraps up income elasticity of demand.